This is Tana with Siddha Soul, and today we're making a raw chocolate chia pudding. This is packed with nutrients, delicious superfoods. It's a great way to start your day with chocolate and a little boost of caffeine. So we'll start with any kind of vegan milk you're choosing. This is an almond milk, but that's totally personal preference. All chia pudding is a 1-to-4 ratio. So we've got about a little over a cup, so we're gonna do a little over 2 tablespoons of raw chia seeds. And then we have 2 tablespoons or so of raw cacao. Raw cacao does have a little bit of naturally occurring caffeine, which is a nice morning booster. And we'll do any sweetener of your choice. This is agave, but maple syrup works great. And we're gonna just continue to stir this until it's all mixed in, and then put it with a cover or in a jar to hold overnight. And this is our final product. It's beautiful, nice, thick, raw chia pudding, super flavorful, a little bit sweet. So now we'll start to add our toppings. And I've chosen to do a bunch of superfoods. So we've got hemp seeds, which are very high in protein, raw pumpkin seeds. We have some cacao nibs, which I love for both the texture of the raw cacao nibs, but also you have a little bit of extra magnesium, a little extra of that caffeine kick I was talking about. Goji berries, which are super high in antioxidants and nice and vibrant and beautiful. And just some almonds. These are golden berries, which are an Incan South American berry. Fresh raspberries, and a handful of blueberries. There you have it. All right, we'll test this out. A little bit of everything. So good. The texture of chia pudding has this wonderful kind of tapioca-like texture, and then we have the nice contrasting different textures from the cacao nibs and the berries. So good.